Hi everybody, I hope you all are fine. One more time I am in front of you with the continuation of the chapter number 5 of your textbook Flamenco, right? The name of the chapter is Indigo. It is written by Louis Fischer, a volunteer who joined British Army. And as he had a good stay, a long stay in India, he could observe the life of Gandhiji very closely. And this particular chapter has been taken from his book, The Life of Mahatma Gandhi, that is written by Louis Fischer himself. Here he talks about the Champaran incidents that really had inspired Gandhiji, right, to throw the Britishers out of the country. ऐसा लिखा है कि वो एक दिन यानी लखनऊ में थे और एक सेशन, कांग्रेस का जो सेशन था उसमें गए थे. वहां पर राजीव शुक्ला करके राजकुमार शुक्ला करके एक बंदा आता है. वो चंपारण से थे और he wanted Gandhi ji to help the peasants of Champaran who were tortured so much by the landlords as well as the Britishers who were living in that particular area of India. So he needed Gandhi ji to help him out. But as Gandhi ji had no time, this man was ready to wait. And so wherever Gandhi ji went after completing the session at Lucknow, he kept going behind him. And finally Gandhi ji was impressed by his determination, because इतना determination होगा तभी तो आप कोई इश्यू को लेकर आप लड़ सकते हो. इतना determination देखकर Gandhi ji was impressed and he decided कि he would help. और उन्होंने कहा कि on this or that date I am going to attend a session in कोलकाता. आप वहाँ पर आओ. राजकुमार को बोला और मुझे वहाँ से ले जाओ. ये यहाँ तक हमने किया था. आगे बढ़ते हैं. पेज नंबर 47 of your textbook. Months passed. Shukla was sitting on his haunches at the appointed spot in Kolkata when Gandhi arrived. He waited till Gandhi ji was free. शुक्ला तो आ गया, बहुत महीने बीत गए. उसके बाद जो डेट दी गई थी उसके कुछ दिन पहले उसने यानी he left his home and he headed for कोलकाता और वहाँ पहुँच गया और तब तक वेट किया जब तक गांधी जी फ्री नहीं. Then the two of them boarded a train for the city of Patna in Bihar. कोलकाता से पटना जाने वाली ट्रेन में वो बैठ गए. There Shukla led him to the house of a lawyer named Rajendra Prasad, who later became the president of the Congress Party and of India. भारत के भी वो प्रेसिडेंट रह चुके. तो उनके घर, वो लॉयर थे, उनके घर शुक्ला उनको ले जाता है गांधी जी. Rajendra Prasad was out of town, but the servants knew Shukla as a poor human who pestered their master to help the indigo shadow. राजेंद्र प्रसाद जी नहीं थे करते, लेकिन जो सर्वेंट्स थे करते, उन्होंने पहचान लिया शुक्ला. They really knew Shukla as a man who regularly came to Rajendra Prasad's home, disturbing him, requesting him time and again to help sharecroppers of Champa. तो वो राजेंद्र कुमार से भी हेल्प मांगने के लिए बहुत बार जाता था. तो सर्वेंट्स जानते थे कि ये वही बंदा who keeps disturbing our boss. But the servants knew Shukla as a poor man who pestered, यानी यहाँ पर परेशान करना, their master यानी राजेंद्र प्रसाद को, to help the indigo sharecroppers. So they let him stay on the grounds with his companion. गांधी जी तो उनके साथ थे, अंदर नहीं आने दिया, बाहर ही रखा. So they let him stay on the ground with his companion Gandhi, whom they took to be another peasant. गांधी जी को देखकर, गांधी जी का लुक बहुत ऑर्डिनरी था, तो उनको देखकर लगा कि ये भी कोई और पीजेंट ही होगा. तो दोनों को बाहर खड़े रहने को बोल दिया. Gandhi, whom they took to be another peasant, but Gandhi was not permitted to draw water from the well, lest some drops from his bucket pollute the entire source. how did they know that he was not an untouchable? This particular two lines talk about the issue of casteism and untouchability that was there at that time also. बहुत था उसको, तो उसको पानी भी नहीं पीने दिया, क्योंकि इसका थोड़ा पानी भी अगर वापस बकेट में से कुएं में गिरा तो वो पानी अपवित्र हो जाएगा। खैर भला ऐसा कुछ होता नहीं है। Gandhi decided to go first to Muzaffarpur, which was en route to Champaran. चंपारण के रास्ते पर ही मुजफ्फरपुर बीच में आता है, तो गांधी जी को वहां पहले जाना था। Why did he go there? To obtain more complete information about conditions than Shukla was capable of imparting. शुक्ला को एक मामूली peasant है, he is confined in that limited area named चंपारण, तो मुजफ्फरपुर में जाना था ताकि वहां से उसको गांधी जी को उनको इस इश्यू पर ज़्यादा डिटेल्स मिल सके कि भाई एक्चुअली में किस तरह से ये जो शेयर क्रॉपर्स है दे आर डिस्टर्ब्ड बाय द लैंडलॉर्ड्स। He accordingly sent a telegram to Professor J.B. Kriplani of the Arts College in Muzaffarpur, whom he had seen at Tagore's Shanti Niketan School. वहाँ जाके वो किसको मिलते हैं? पहले एक मुजफ्फरपुर में रुककर उन्होंने एक टेलीग्राम सेंड किया जेबी कृपलानी, एंड फर्स्ट टाइम वो कब मिले थे? रविंद्रनाथ टैगोर की जो स्कूल थी, उनका ड्रीम स्कूल, दैट वाज शांति निकेतन, वहाँ। द ट्रेन arrived at midnight 15 April 1917. Kriplani was waiting at the station with a large body of students. Gandhi stayed there for 2 days in the home of Professor Malkani, a teacher in a government school. Kriplani स्टेशन पर वेट कर रहे थे जब गांधी जी मुजफ्फरपुर पहुंचे थे, उनके साथ बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स भी थे। वहाँ गांधी जी ने स्टे कहाँ किया? There was a government professor, teacher, Mr. Malkani. It was an extraordinary thing in those days, Gandhi commented, for a government professor to harbor a man like me. In smaller localities, the Indians were afraid to show sympathy for advocates of home rule. उस वक्त का जो माहौल था, कहते हैं कि it was something extraordinary। क्यों? मुझे कोई जानता पहचानता नहीं था, फिर भी I was allowed to stay in Mr. Malkani's house for 2 days. और the main reason to stay at Malkani's home was कि उस वक्त जो लॉयर्स होते थे, जैसे कृपलानी लॉयर थे, और वो होम रूल के लिए वो होम रूल यानी स्वराज, खुद की आज़ादी, उसके लिए वो भी लड़ रहे थे, लेकिन कुछ लोग उनको सपोर्ट नहीं कर रहे थे। तो इन दैट केस to stay in the house of a lawyer who was fighting for home rule was not appropriate according to Gandhiji, and that's why he had decided to live with Mr. Malkani for 2 days. Right? Dear students, we stop here. Page number 48. The paragraph that starts with the news of Gandhi's advent. वहाँ से हम next video में चालू करेंगे. Till then, keep reading. Take good care of everybody. Thank you. जय हिंद।